Hey creators, welcome back to Tinkercad Circuit Made Easy. In this lesson, we are going to control multiple LEDs using an Arduino. It's a super fun and a useful skill that helps you build cool projects like traffic light, LED chasers, and even simple games. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to connect and program 2 or more LEDs to blink in an alternating pattern using Arduino inside Tinkercad. Okay, so jump into Tinkercad Circuit. This is the interface of Tinkercad. So we take one breadboard and we take 5 LED, 5 different LED. Each LED have a different color, so we can fix it. Make sure all the LEDs are in the same alignment line. So first LED is red. Second LED, the color of the LED is showing green. The third LED is yellow. Fourth LED is orange. And the last is blue. Okay, so all LED are aligned in the same column from the row 4 to 23. So we need to the ground of all LED should be same. So first we have to take Arduino. Okay, so the ground of all the LED is common. So the ground cathode, that is cathode, the ground of all LED, that is cathode. So we have to take one line and the line should be in the black color. So you can easily remind where's the ground. So all the ground are connected in the same column line. Okay, so all the ground are connected to the same this power negative rail, and we have to take one resistor. The value of this resistor should be 220 ohm, and the connection of this resistor one side to the ground like this. I think this is okay, fine. So this ground. Now this is the time to connect all the positive terminals, that is anode of the LED, to the different pin of the Arduino. So make sure each positive pin of the LED to be connect with individual pin. So first I have to take first pin should be connected with pin number 13, and the color of this wire should be red. Pin number 30. The positive leg of the green color should be connected with pin number 11. The positive leg of this yellow color should be connected with I think pin number 7. This positive leg, that is anode, should be connected with pin number 4, and the last is pin number 1. Okay, I think it's fine. So you can easily recommend that all the pins of this LED, that is anode, is connected to the pin number 13, pin number 11, pin number 7, pin number 4, pin number 1. You can connect to any pin, but make sure when you do the programming, you have to indicate the same pin which is connected here. So I think my connections, all grounds are disconnected, this terminal 1 of this resistor to the ground, and each pin of the LED, that is anode, is connected with these digital pins. Okay, so now let's time to coding. So we have to okay, come to the coding part. Click here. I have to expand this and click here. So this set well LED to high and set built-in LED, but this time we are not making connection to built-in LED, that is pin number 13. We have to make connection and make programming according to the different pin which we connected earlier. So drop it here and just come to pin number my first pin is pin number 13. So let's take pin number 13 to high and come to wait. This time we are taking the pin wait 0.1 second. Again set pin to 13 to be low and wait 0.1 second. Okay, now let's start with code. Our code is not completed. We have to check the code. Okay, like this. So it's blinking. In the last chapter, we have done with a blinking LED, the single LED, but this time we have to take multiple LED, and that is the LED chaser. So if we want to make LED chaser, so we have to blink each and LED differently. So this is the part, this is the code of first LED. Now stop the simulation and do the repeat of the same code in two different LED. So we have to take duplicate and this. So the first LED is pin number 13, the second LED is pin number 11. So we have to change this to pin number 11. Okay. Now check the code and see. Okay. So both LEDs blinking alternatively after the seconds time of 0.1 seconds. Now stop simulation. Now we have to repeat all of the presses to each and individual LED. So duplicate. Okay, show this disable. Okay. See, this is the pin number 13, pin number 13, pin number 11, pin number 11. Now third pin is pin number 7. Pin number 7. Pin number 7. Fourth LED is pin number 4. Pin number 4. And the last, I think, okay. So pin number 4, pin number 4, pin number 1, pin number 1. Okay, so fine. So I have done all of the programming to each identity. So let's start with simulation and check the program. Okay, so yes, like this. This is a perfect example of chasing the LED individually. Okay, so you can make it your own and try to different LED. You can add more LED. These are the 5 LEDs. You can add it more 5 LEDs, so total 10 LED. So in programming you have to be add the code of another 5 LED. So with the help of this video you can do it, and this is the perfect example how the LED is chasing to each other.